Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will drive around in Kuta area. Sunday, 3 October 2021. So if you want to know how the situation right there, just keep stay in touch. Check it out. Hello guys, how are you today? I hope you are fine. Okay guys, today on 3 October on Sunday we will drive around in Kuta area. As we know together, the tourism destination is already open since last month on 17th of September. So it will be for sure Bali will be getting better for tourism. Actually, last week I already explored this area also, but that was not in Sunday. But today in Sunday it's look more busier because like weekend, so there is a lot of people, domestic people from other island, they come to Bali to make vacation. So today we will see together how to like the situation in Kuta area during weekend. And now we are in Lagya Street. It looks very busy, isn't it? I mean like much better than last month. But if you see the weather today, it's very beautiful. I mean it's very clear. As I told you, Bali always good weather. And today I see there is a lot of shop is already start open. This is very good news for Bali actually. Okay guys, in this area there is a lot of shop and hotels. And usually a lot of people walk around on the sidewalk. Yeah, but this is still look quiet, but much better than last month. You see, some people walk around on the sidewalk. Yeah, they are domestic tourism. Look at that on the street. In this area, it's very quiet, isn't it? It's very bad. Okay guys, I want to say thank you very much for your support my channel. Because you already watch my video, also subscribe my video. And if you just find this channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video for update situation in Bali. Oh no, it's still very quiet. Actually, our government planning will be open for international tourism in this month. But our ministry didn't say exactly when is it, what date on this month. Okay, now we are in the central of Legian. Behind me is ground zero. Sky Garden left side, engine room right side. In this area is very famous with the night bar at the central of Legian because there is a lot night pub in this area. Apache left side, Paddy's pub left side, and Bounty Club. But if you see in the right side, there is some shop is already open. Also in left side, there is some shop also open. Oh no, this is very quiet. Why? Come on, it's weekend. You must be wake up. You must be wake up, Bali, please. right side, there is a lot of shop is closed. But yeah, there is some shop is open. That's good. But I still gonna say it's much better than last month. Last month I gonna say like 90% the shop is closed. But on this month it's around 75% the shop is closed. So it's mean like Bali start growing up for the business. You see right side, that the shop is open. Left side also. That's good, isn't it? Okay guys, so this is the situation at the moment in Lagya Street. Oh, there is some cup at the front. Mau muter pak, mau ke Legian. Ya. Anu pak yang di Fatma. Oh kasih pak. Susuma pagi. Oh, thank you, police. You are very good. The police, they just look up for our people who want to go to the beach. They worry the beach will be so busy. So, as I told you, the mall in Kuta and all around Bali, they are already open, but the capacity must be maximum on 50%. They can go inside to the mall. Okay guys, now we reach Kuta Beach. There is Kuta Beach at the front. Yeah, there's already open. And if you go to the beach, you must show your certificate for the vaccine. Right side, there is some taxi parking there. At the front, Hard Rock Cafe. That's good. Oh my god, you see left side. There is a lot motorbike parking there. I think there is a lot of people going to the Kuta Beach today. Yeah, there is a lot motorbike parking there. That is really good. Much better than last month. Much better. You see, people on the sidewalk also. That is good. Hotel right side. Some people there. You see left side? There is a lot of car parking there. Oh, that is good. It's been like there is a lot of people going to the beach today because today is Sunday. You see along the way, left side, there is a lot of motorbike parking and there is a lot of people going to the beach today. So that's why Lagya Street is very quiet. It's been like a lot of people go to the beach because soonly it's sunset time. So there is a lot of people go to the beach to waiting for sunset. Okay guys, if you see at the front, there is the biggest mall in Kuta area. We call Beach Walk and some cafe there. You see, there is a lot of people there. That is good. Oh, look at that at the front. There is lots of people there. You see left side? There is the parking area who people go to the Kuta Beach and some people go to Beach Walk. The biggest mall in Kuta Bali. You see right side? The Beach Walk mall look very busy, isn't it? There is a lot of people there. I'm really happy to see that. And left side, there is the parking who people go to the beach and this mall. It's really much better than last month. In last month, before 17th of September, along the way is very quiet. But you see today, it's very busy, isn't it? That's really good. see along the way left side, there is a lot motorbike parking. Yeah, it's correct because today also is Sunday, so that's why there are a lot of people make a picnic on the beach while waiting for sunset coming. Oh, you see left side, there is a lot of car parking along the way. That's really good. Yeah, we hope together Bali will getting better and better for tourism. So our life like normally as before, because as we know together, there is a lot of people lost their job during the pandemic corona. Because mostly we are in Bali working for the tourism. So we got really big impact of this corona. That's good. Left side, there is a lot motorbike and car parking there. There is a lot of people go to the beach. Right side, the big hotel, the Stone Hotel. Actually, in the right side, there is a lot of big hotel, as Alam Kulkul, Pullman, Kuta Seaview, the Stone, and lot else. You see right side? There is the Pullman Hotel. Oh, there is a lot of car parking inside actually, but I didn't make a video. Okay, now we turn right to see how the situation in Melasti Street. Yeah, but I gonna say like it's much better than last month. And now there is more people going to Bali to make vacation. Even domestic people, but that will be help us our economic in Bali. So we are Balinese really hope to our government to reopen international border flight and let the tourists come to Bali. You see left side? There is art market. Yeah, they are open and some people there, or the car parking there. Okay guys, so this is the situation at the moment in Kuta area. Thank you for watching my video and see you in the next video. Bye bye.